2014 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, air conditioning, automatic transmission, front wheel drive, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.